We like late models and low miles in our sport bikes too. And this 2017 Kawasaki Z650 ABS does not disappoint in either category. It's a year old with, seriously, as of this moment anyway, under 200 miles. Okay, it's only by 1 mile, and we'll probably have 200 on it by the time we get it to the showroom. Color is a really nice looking matte black. 649cc parallel twin engine that develops 66 horsepower. Engine is mated to a 6-speed transmission. Late model 2017, low miles, around 200, priced right, and available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle, yeah, we have sport bikes too, in San Marcos.